all-wheel drive Civic. This one setup is a fully built bottom end, a sleek block, a stack deck O-ring. I got Trump pistons, Eagle rocks, stock cans, spring retainers, and see, we got a 6466 turbo. What else? Oh, K24 out of the TSX block. We got ground fuel regulator, fuel pressure, 22 cc's injectors. We got a nano over here. So in order to make the FuelTech work with the jumper harness, CP Performance seller and another guy Tronic Works. So I got my harness from Tronic Works, something like that. So I got my jumper harness from this guy. So I made my own bezel, my own thing. So, real carbon fiber. And my laptop. I got my K-Pro, my AN ECU. So the problem that I was having, the car didn't want to start with the FuelTech, and now it started fine. So I did my own base map. So it took me too long. My tuner sent me a base map, but I couldn't get it to start with that base map. So I reset the thing and then did my own map. So over here you're gonna do 1, 3, 4, 2 piston type. You type pistons, then RPM for engine to start 400. Once the car is all calibrate everything, and then you know where's the timing degrees, then you're able to raise it up to like 700. Over here you're gonna go Hall, falling, then you're gonna do 334 degrees, and then over here you're gonna do automatic detection levels. On the next one, can signal, you're gonna do Hall BR1 with pull up rising, then you're gonna do over here 687, enable this, then ignition, you're gonna do waste spark individual, then do 45 over here, 95, 20, and smart coils. Fuel injection, you're gonna do semi-sequential on both. I'm using ethanol. The total flow is I got 22 cc's, so total is 840 what they flow. So throttle pedal is by TPS. Idle none, and then ignition coil, this gonna be RPM battery voltage. What else? This you don't mess with it. This is how you supposed to wire the FuelTech F550. So over here you got a map, so you're gonna choose close loop. So you're gonna choose all of them, all these ones. Then on map, you're gonna do 2D, 3D map, and then 3D table. 3D table for this and this one. And then on impulse, if you get a harness from this guy, you gotta do all this. This is the white impulse. I don't know how to say that, but map. I'm using the one on the ECU build, or you could use your original map if you want to. I'm using that one. What else? That's, you don't mess with it. You let your tuner mess with it. All this. I'm not a tuner, so but yeah. Once you get everything, you're gonna write it up to the ECU, and then car should start. Mine is a turbo though, so every car, the injector duty is gonna be different, so make sure you find out your injector duty. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is it.